Welcome to our home for the next few days. We've found a quiet little spot by the sea. Just us, the waves, and a few slow, peaceful days of wild camping. Come along.
Na zdrowie. We left the camp. We need to search for water.
Krasnoostrowie.
This is our little beach and we are camping maybe 50 meters from the water. We have lots of shade. We are covered under the pine trees and it's absolutely no one here. It's like not a single person inside. Just saw a couple of people walking down this path yesterday, but today, since we got up in the morning, it's nobody.
Nie mam ciebie uchwycić. Maminka už na pri vode prepínam.
Jeszcze raz.
Maminka, už sme pri vode prepínam. To je hoskule. Ona povedala, že dobre prepínam.
It's 10 in the morning. We have input of around 155 watts on this 200 watt solar panel, and at the moment we are on 30% of charge at the power station. But I set it up like this around 8 in the morning, so 2 hours ago, and now I need to change the angle because of the sun. So let's see if we can get more input so we can charge more devices at once. I slightly changed the angle of the panel, and now we get almost 170 watts input, and the power station should be fully charged in about 4 hours. Now we can connect more devices.
Goodbye.
And here we have a whole fridge connected to the solar panel, and we need to charge our shower so we can have a nice shower in the evening just before we go to bed. And this is what our camp looks like. We are still in the process of setting it up, trying to figure out the best way of doing things.
We are starting today's cooking with a little fire on our double burner hooked up to a Turkish gas cylinder we bought in Marmaris from a shop with the most reviews and almost 5 stars. Sounds promising, right? Well, there was a catch. They only had really basic valves, no pressure regulator, so the gas flow depends completely on the temperature. On a hot afternoon, even opening it just a millimeter is enough, but in the cool morning, totally different. This clip was taken before we really understood how unpredictable it could be. Now we know a bit more, but we are definitely on the lookout for a better valve system in a proper shop.
Okay.
To je úplně stranda velká.
With the weekend coming up and local families starting to arrive at the beach for barbecues and family time, we figured it was time to come up with a plan for what to do next.